Good morning, dear students. Today we will study chapter 8 of your GK book, that is Gifts from Plants. So question number 1 is eucalyptus oil is obtained from which part of the eucalyptus tree? Is it a flower, stem or leaves? The correct answer is leaves. So we get eucalyptus oil from the leaves of the eucalyptus tree. Question number 2 is rubber is obtained from the dash of the rubber tree. So from which part of the rubber plant we obtain rubber? Is it sap, leaves or roots? So the correct answer is sap. Sap is a white liquid which we obtain from the trunk of the rubber plant. Quinine is obtained from the bark of cinchona tree, deodar or neem. So the correct answer is cinchona tree. The bark obtained from this tree is used for preparing the medicine of disease malaria. The outer bark is removed and the inner bark is harvested. Question number 4. We get saffron from the dried petals, stigmas or stamens of the flower of the saffron plant. The name of the flower of saffron plant is crocus. So we get saffron from the stigma. What are stigmas? Stigmas are hairy structure which is present in every flower. So as you can see in this image, these hair-like structures which are red in color, these are known as stigmas, and these are plucked from the saffron flowers, and this is how saffron is harvested. Tea is obtained from which part of the tea plant? Leaves and buds, stems, roots. The correct answer is leaves and buds. Tea is obtained from the leaves and buds of the plant whose scientific name is Camellia sinensis. So bud is that part of the plant which grows into a new leaf or a flower. So as you can see in this image, the leaf which is indicated by 1 is known as bud. So after some time it will grow into a new leaf. The clothes we wear in summers to keep ourselves cool is made from the fluffy fiber that grows in a ball or a protective cover around the seed of the which plant? Rain, jute, cotton. The correct answer is cotton plant. So as you can see in this image, these are the white color part of the plant is the flower of the cotton plant, and if you pluck all the fiber from this flower, there will be a very small seed which will be left out. Thank you. And